Hello Scorpio, welcome back to Owlets Tarot. Thank you for joining me. This is going to be a general collective for you, my dear Scorpio, and please keep in mind that it is a general collective, and it may only partially resonate, it may not resonate at all. But I do encourage you to check out your moon and your rising placements as well. I hope you're doing really well and that you're healthy and calm and that you feel safe and loved. I'm going to start you out, my dear friends, with an animal message oracle. It's by Susie Green. Alright. What do you have for Scorpio? For my dear Scorpio. Anything you need to know about the channel is in the box below. I have updated it, so I encourage you to take a look. Create your vision. You got the motherfucking eagle, Scorpio. Yes. I love it. I love the energy already. I will read what the book has to say about this after I get your tarot cards, and I'm using, for the first time, the Chakra Wisdom Tarot. So we're going to get a feeling for, perhaps we're going to get a feeling for where you need to concentrate in terms of aligning that chakra, aligning that energy that's so crucial. And whenever I do encourage chakra work, I like to also, when I'm doing chakra work, I listen to binaural beats in the headphones. There are different hertz levels for each chakra. And you can just, you start to feel your body like, it feels like a live wire. It's just like thrumming. You can tell when it's working and when it's in alignment, and it's beautiful. And very often we don't know what's out of alignment, so. Alright, so what is it that Scorpio needs to see and work on? Your first card out is the Seven of Cups. Wow. So the need to make some difficult choices, the need to wake up. It's almost like you've become maybe a bit complacent in our current situation in terms of it's very easy to fall into that, almost like a hibernation type feel. And maybe you're now being encouraged or called on to wake up and make a decision. Stop fantasizing. Stop catastrophizing. That the decision is going to come easier to you if you're in alignment. If your mind and your heart have taken a break, have taken a pause, have become still, that's when you're able to use your discernment. That's when you're able to use your intuition, your gut instinct, your sixth sense, whatever you want to call it. We all have it. And sometimes it's about turning off the brain, turning off the circuitry and allowing the nature to overtake the nurture. We have the Ace of Cups, so the spark of warmth, creativity, passion. I'm getting the feeling that like the decision has been made, or you're on the verge of making a decision that's going to reignite, restart life again for you. It's almost like normalcy returning to your world. Stepping out with trepidation and then quickly falling back into a groove that actually proves beneficial. Because I'm feeling a stagnation, being stuck in a very stagnant place. I believe Aquarius had the same energy, but I could be wrong. And then you also have the Ace of Swords. So the Ace of Cups, that emotion, that passion, and the Ace of Swords, ready to and willing to fight for your passion, for what you believe in, willing to go up against anyone who tries to disturb your peace at this time, because you know the order of things. You know where you've got to be at emotionally and mentally to make the decisions to move forward with emotion and logic both ready. Ready and eager. Just like these cards bouncing. Interesting. Okay. We've got the Devil. Capricorn energy. Maybe you're dealing with a Capricorn. And then the Seven of Wands, it's in reverse. And I'm trying to see if I want to keep it that way. With the way that, off the back of the Ace of Cups and then onto the Ace of Swords, there's this strong, fiery, passionate momentum, movement forward. This suddenly, there's an internal allowance to see the brighter side of things. So I see no negativity in this Devil card. I see this Devil card for its passion. I see a call to do work on the sixth chakra, which would be the third eye, and the first chakra, the root. And that's a passionate, sacred place. And the Seven of Wands is very similar to the Ace of Swords in the sense that you've created something and you're very passionate about it. You've got a fiery passion and a willingness to protect. You're ready to battle off anyone you need to. That's just kind of like the space that I see you in. Remain aware of indulging in any vices. Vices come in all shapes and sizes, all colors, all flavors. They don't cherry pick individuals. So be aware of that. But as in all the readings that I've been doing lately, there's definitely a return to, I feel a return to life. Whatever that means and however long that lasts, whatever. I'm not going to speak on any of it. I'm just going to say I feel a big shift in the energy. I've been feeling it in all of the reads. All of the reads have been coming across in a particular way. Now, how the hell am I supposed to know where the animal is? There's no number on the card. Well, hopefully they come in like categories. Alright, yep, I found it. Eagle. Create your vision. Magical, majestic eagle soars and swoops through the air before diving to grasp the fruits of the earth. Her vision senses a rabbit moving a mile in the distance, but to you she gives vision that unveils the past, encompasses the present, and reveals the future. Events will move swiftly from now on, so use the power of eagle wisely to develop your spirituality and consciously create your dream or your vision of the future. Consider too the power of karma, which is implicit in your every action or inaction. Very interesting. I just got this today. So I'll be eager to read these messages of inspiration. Alright, my dear friends, I will see you back here soon. In the meantime, take good care of yourselves and take care of each other. Take care of the people around you. It's time for compassion and unity and love. No matter how kumbaya it sounds, it's still needed. There always needs to be a balance. We need to work out that balance. We need to shine a light on imbalances. But never losing sight of the very human and innately right and fair goal. Maintaining that forward momentum toward progress and change, and not losing the message through anger and yeah. Alright. Take good care of yourselves, my friends. Stay safe, and we will talk again soon. Bye.